Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best wireless dash cams. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Red Tiger F17. Specifications: brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. Display, LCD. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Number 4 on our list is Iki M700A. Specifications: brand name, Iki. Battery capacity, 300 mAh. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 142 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256G. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.73 kilograms. Number 3 on our list is Lingdu LD06. Specifications: brand name, Lingdu. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256G. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro SD/DF. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Bluetooth, BLE 4.2. Wi-Fi, built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 on our list is Vivo A229 Plus. Specifications: brand name, Vivo. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 512G. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 60. Warranty, 1 year. Number 1 on our list is Asdome M580. Specifications: brand name, Asdome. Aperture, 1.8. Display, IPS. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, Wi-Fi, micro SD/DF. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.43 kilograms.